The government is on a drive to develop the country's capital into a tourist destination. Its efforts were given a boost with the addition of more rooms in New Kingston following the official opening up of the R Hotel last evening. Details in this report.
Tourism continues to boost Jamaica's economy. As of May, over 2 million visitors visited the country. This is the first time in Jamaica's history that the country has hosted so many visitors in 5 months. During that period, Jamaica earned $1.7 billion. The government is also calling for more tourism investment in the capital. Kingston is currently not viewed as a tourist destination. The first step is to add more hotel rooms, which began yesterday with the opening of the R Hotel.
Kingston Prime Minister is on its way to becoming a major tourism experiential center with a confluence of cultural and social and heritage as well as gastronomy activities. And perhaps the R is the first symbol of that new experience.
Speaking at the opening ceremony, Prime Minister HOLNESS says plans are also in place to increase cruise ships' calls to Kingston.
With the development of Port Royal, when we think of what will happen with the government circle at Heroes Circle, with the new Parliament building and the facilities that will be constructed around that Parliament building, Kingston will become the center of the Caribbean.
Traditionally, crime has been a major concern for visitors to the capital, but the Prime Minister sought to assure investors.
The government is going to do everything in its power to control crime, to make sure that your guests are safe and secure here in Kingston City. And you know that the government is going to do everything to improve the physical infrastructure of the city, both in terms of our road, water, sewage, telecommunication, and security infrastructure.
The 48-room R Hotel was built at a cost of $6.5 million. Andrew LAIDLEY, TVJ News.